Hello.
Jumbo.
Welcome to another episode of Fun Swahili or Nighttime Swahili with
Fresh Bro 8. Fresh Bro 11.
and Fresh Mommy. In this episode, we are going to take a quick review of the stuff that we already know and then learn some new things about kitchen appliances. What are we going to learn about today? Vifaa vya jikoni. Vifaa vya jikoni. So welcome to our Nighttime Swahili in 10 minutes or maybe give or take. All right, let's get started. Fresh Bros, habari zenyu? Mzuri. So let's review some of the things we've already covered. What is the living room called?
Jikoni.
Jikoni. That would be the kitchen.
Oh! No, I was gonna say it wrong.
Maybe
Sebuleni.
Sebuleni. It's in this sentence over here. What is the house called? Nyumba. Good job. All right. So, what are some of the parts of the house?
Mango. Dirisha.
Okay. Oh, wow. Jeez, you guys are too good. Can you tell me when you say mlango, you say it's door? If you
Mango door, pa roof, there is ceiling, sakafu floor.
Wow. Continue.
Oh.
What would be dirisha?
Window.
Window. What else did you not say? What is a deck?
Star.
Good job. What is stairs? Ngazi. Good job. All right. So again, mlango is door, dirisha is windows, pa is roof, ukuta is wall, sakafu floor, dari ceiling, ngazi stairs, and staha deck. Good job. And then we'll go to the living room. And what's the living room called again? Sebuleni. That's the living room. And what are some of the things we might see in the living room?
Kitty, calendar.
When you say that, remember to say the English word for those that don't know. Okay, so kitty is
sofa. Kitty's sofa. Sa is clock. Calendar is calendar. Keka is carpet. Pazia is curtain. Picture is picture. Kitty is technically sofa or couch.
Very good. Good job. All right. So some of the things that we have in the living room would be kitty, which is sofa. Sa is clock. Pazia is curtain. Meza, table. Calendar.
Is that Woody?
Probably. Picture. Runinga. TV. Biblia, Bible, and keka is carpet or rug. Good job. Yeah, that does look like
You should
wood,
add
right?
these.
Yeah.
Or the lid. Or the...
Right. Yeah, those are gonna come later. All right, perfect. So, one other place, there's some more things that we learned at the back over here, which is people, right? So, people we relate to. And who are some of the people that we relate to?
Baba, Mama.
Baba is, what are they?
Baba is dad, Mama is mom, Toto is child, Binamu is cousin, Jirani is neighbor, Shangazi is auntie, Jomba is uncle, and what do you call it? Dad? Not dad.
Grandpa,
right?
Grandmother.
Yeah, I'm doing the sister and brother first.
Oh, okay.
And then so brother is what do you call it? Kaka, and then sister is Dada. Nyanya and Bibi are grandmother, and grandpa is something else.
What's that? Babu. And what about friend? Rafik. Oh my gosh, you guys are unreal. All right, so Baba is dad or father. Mama is mom or mother. Mtoto is a child or a baby. Kaka or ndugu is brother. Dada is sister. Binamu, cousin. Bibi or nyanya is grandmother. Babu is grandfather. Jirani is neighbor. Mjomba is uncle.
Auntie, and Rafiki's friend.
Shangazi is auntie. And Rafiki is friend. High five. So impressive. Awesome. All right, so let's learn about some kitchen appliances. And what is the sentence over here? Hapa ni
jikoni ambapo tunapika chakula kizuri.
All right.
Hapa ni jikoni ambapo tunapika chakula kizuri.
Which means
this is the kitchen where we cook great meals.
Awesome. What is jikoni? In a minute. What is jikoni?
Yeah, what do you call it?
Kitchen. What's kitchen? Jikoni. Awesome. So what are some of the kitchen appliances? Jokofu or fridge is fridge. Stove is jiko.
Wait, what?
Stove is jiko. Okay. Jiko is a stove. Like it's almost like a short version of jikoni.
Mommy should add a trash. What is spoon?
Huh?
What is spoon?
Kijiko.
Oh.
I see where you're getting the confusion. Okay, so kopo ya takataka is garbage can
or trash.
Or a trash can. Is it trash inside? Trash is takataka.
So kopos can.
Right. Kopo ya takataka or kopo la takataka. All right, what is microwave? Microwave is tanuri la miale. Tanuri la miale. One more time. Tanuri la miale. That's microwave. That's a big name. What about sink? What is sink? Sinky. What about dishwasher?
Mashini ya kuosha vyombo.
Try that.
Kuosha vyombo.
Try that again.
Mashini ya kuosha vyombo.
And this is an E. How do you pronounce E in Swahili?
Mashine ya kuosha vyombo.
Very good. You want to give it a try?
Mashine ya kuosha vyombo.
Beautiful. Mashine ya kuosha vyombo.
Counter.
Okay, so the next word is counter or a countertop is what, and what's the Swahili word? Kaunta. Good job. And what about storage? Storage is
Gala.
Not gaha.
What?
Gala.
Gala.
Right. All right. So let's review that one more time. What is a fridge? Jokofu or fridge. Stove is jiko. And garbage can. Kopo ya takataka. Microwave. Tanuri la miale. What about sink? Sinky. Counter. And then storage. Gala. Which part is?
You skip this.
Oh, what is dishwasher?
Mashini ya not machine, right? Mashine ya kuosha vyombo.
All right, do you want to give it a try, see if you remember them? What is fridge?
Jokofu.
Okay, what is stove?
Jiko.
Jiko, good job. Garbage can.
Kopo ya takataka.
Beautiful. What's microwave?
Tanuri ya miale.
Good job. Sink. Sinky. Counter.
Yo, stop skipping.
Oh, I'm sorry. Dishwasher.
I don't even know that one. You could have mashini ya kuosha vyombo.
Beautiful. Mashine ya kuosha vyombo. What's counter? Counter. And what's storage? Storage? Gala. Very good. Fresh Bro Saba. What is sink?
It's not Saba anymore.
Oh my gosh. Fresh Bro Nane. What is sink?
Sinky.
11. What is dishwasher?
Dishwasher is mashini ya.
Sit up because we can't see you.
Mashine ya kuosha vyombo.
In a second. All right, guys, listen. We have learned about the kitchen appliances. Hopefully you have your book, review them. It's as simple as spending just a few minutes and you're good to go. Mateo. Oh, Fresh Brew 11. Do your thing. Say kwa heri.
Subscribe to the like button, turn on the post notifications on the comment.
Come say bye.
Fresh Bro 7.
Fresh Bro 7. Oh my
Fresh
goodness.
Bro 9 out. Fresh Bro 8. So you're Fresh Bro 9.
Nane? Okay, awesome. Asanteni sana. Thank you so much.
Bye.
5 minutes is enough to learn awesome things.
10 to the video, bro.
All right, let's do
10
it.
to the video.
Kwa heri.